channel. If you've seen my previous video, this was a slime I've ordered. It was called Princess Leftovers, and today I will be adding stuff to try to make it good. Okay. First off, I'm gonna be adding First off, I'm going to be getting my glue, whatever I have left of it, and I have a box instead of a container. Not have much in there. So you're not going to need a lot. I didn't use a lot because I don't have a lot. Now I'm going to shake up my shaving cream. I want this to be like super fluffy, so I'm going to go in with my mixer. I had my slime that was messed up in this container, and now I'm mixing it together. I'm cornering it. It's cornered in this little corner in my box to use, and after it's stirred up really well, once it's not, but I'm just going to add some salt and just start mixing. And rubbing, and just pick it up, just gonna drop it. Starting to feel like something. Does it water? I've read on the internet that water has to help. Water has to be a part of bad slime for it to become good slime. I've heard that. I think they're gonna be right because it's like getting there, but it's not there yet. So I'm going to go get a cup of water. I will be right back. Okay, I'm back now. I got my water. I'm gonna pour it here. Not a whole lot though, just pour a little bit in. And then just start mixing. I would not recommend doing it where I did it. I did mine in a box. I would oh god. I'm so sorry. I would recommend doing yours in a bowl, because this is really not working out. I'm trying everything to make this good slime. I might just have to let it sit for every time. I'm just gonna have to let it sit for about a week or two. This one is like so not helpful. I want to put the rest of my water in for some reason. There's no I can go back. I can't go back and get more water. And I would just leave this. If you have bad slime like this, and try to make it good slime. I mean, I've read this from a person. And they said theirs worked really well. I've seen about mine worked well. I mean, it's not sticky like it was, but I could have just added salt for that. But it was bad slime. That was the problem, and now it's even worse. So I'm just gonna let this sit for about a week. week or 2 or 3. Yeah, I'm just gonna let this set for about a week or 2 or 3. I'm gonna let this set for about a week or 2 so it doesn't get like major up in here. So but that's alright. That's what it looked like after I tried to fix it. But now my cousin has fixed hers before. I helped her. Now I tried to do the whole thing because I did fix her first part. Because look, I fixed it to make it look like this, and that's what she wanted. So I got an A+ on that. But now she wants me to do the whole thing, and I used all my ingredients for this. Right here, it's strawberry Laffy Taffy. And if you want to send me some songs for it, be so welcome to, and I'll leave my description down below. But I really don't know what a subscription is. So tell me below in the comments, please. Thanks, bye. Thanks, guys. Bye. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and hit the thumbs up button if you like this video.